It's a perfect market breadth once again, near perfect market breadth, and that's what you need to focus on. The Nifty and the Sensex, they tend to occupy a lot of mind space, but frankly everybody just looks at them and ignores them because they are not the trend setter in terms of deciding the market mood. The small cap index, the breadth of the market, what's happening to some of the two-digit stocks, how real estate stocks are moving, what's happening to the comeback in pharma stocks, the excitement in the IPO market. Those are the talking points right now, really, from a market standpoint. So it doesn't matter where Nifty is moving. It's not expected to move in a big way. That's Nifty for you. But let's start looking at some of the trending names. So you want to start with insurance stocks, the PSU ones, New India, LIC, GIC. What's happening there? New India, 3% higher, another 4% higher. LIC, trending move, 6.5% higher now for LIC. 6 rupees higher for LIC now. 6% is what it added last week. And then you've got strong price action, which is there in Welspun Enterprises, Mapma India, Spencer Retail. Just random names which are popping up in terms of the theme. DB Realty, well, the promoter have said that we've offloaded 2%, 3% stake largely to raise capital and to retire debt. Unusual, but that is having an impact on the stock process. So it's a good start, Aisha, once again from the market breadth.
Yeah, it's a decent start. Let's check in on what Honasa is up to. Much speculation over the weekend, wherein there were reports that there's going to be a block deal which is going to be executed at a 5 to 7% discount to market price. And then, of course, the promoters denying that, saying that the ESOP sale is not going to take place. The stock is down sharply. 4% lower, 456 is where Honasa Consumer is currently in trade. There's also DLF, which is in focus. Remember, the ED has conducted search operations at DLF's headquarters in the Supertech land purchase matter over the weekend. Mildly soft for DLF as we speak. The entire gamut of the holdco companies are going to be in focus. The delisting regulations, remember, have not been approved by the SEBI board, so that entire gamut is going to be in focus as well. There's also Cello World. The profit revenues are up 4% each. There's been a margin decline, however, on a sequential basis. And then, of course, reports indicating that Maruti is going to be hiking prices across models in the month of January. So let's check in on what Maruti is up to, just mildly higher as we speak right now. There's Fortis, which is looking to divest its entire 62.7% stake in Fortis Malar for a consideration of 128 crore rupees. So that's another stock which is going to be in focus. And of course, Paytm, like Nikunj flagged off, wherein Berkshire Hathaway has sold its entire stake via block. That stock lower by about 1% as we speak. Let's check in on what BSE as well is up to. Jefferies has initiated coverage with a 20% upside is what they're indicating. 4.5% of a gap up on BSE as we speak right now. And then there's TCS, wherein the company has been asked to pay $210 million fine to DXC Technology in the trade secrets row. So that's another stock which is going to be in focus as well. For the index per se, it's a very mild start, absolutely flat, but with a positive bias. Of course, it's the broader markets once again which are doing much better. Kunal, any trend or trade that you're spotting?
So I think other than HAL, which we discussed in the morning, HDFC Bank from the larger cap banking names is also looking attractive. The stock, I believe, has made a decent comeback. So that 1450 low for HDFC Bank approximately is a major support. And I think keeping that as a position stop loss would like to carry on the long futures trade for HDFC Bank.
All right, Naresh, let's get in your take as to how the markets have started moving and any stock that catches your eye as your first trade.
So that would be Sun Pharma Advanced Research Company, Spark, which has seen good volumes. Looking at it as a buy at current levels as well as on dips.
All right, that's the view coming in on Spark. That's Naresh's first trade this morning.